Hello guys, I am Mustafa Chaudhry and this is our YouTube channel. Please subscribe this channel and liking and sharing our video because I have very interesting and enjoyable videos in this channel and informative video in this channel. So subscribe this channel and enjoying and watching. Thank you. Our topic is warm up problem of the day lesson presentation. Warm up. Evaluate each equation for x is equal to minus 1 0 and 1. 1 y is equal to 3x minus 3 0 3 y is equal to x minus 7 minus 8 minus 7 minus 6 y is equal to minus 2x plus 5 3 5 7 y is equal to 6x minus 2 minus 8 minus 2 4. Write a linear equation that contains term with x. Possible answer x2 plus y is equal to x2 plus x plus 4. Learn to find the slope of a line and use slope to understand and draw graphs. You looked at slope on the coordinate plane in lesson 75347. Linear equation have constant slope for a line on the coordinate plane. Slope is the following ratio: vertical change, horizontal change is equal to change in y over change in x. This ratio is often referred to as rise over run or rise over run, where rise indicates the number of units moved up or down and run indicates the number of units moved to the left or right. Slope can be positive, negative, 0 and undefined. A line with positive slope goes up from left to right. A line with negative slope goes down from the left. Slope of a line: positive slope and negative slope. This slope is positive slope and this slope is negative slope. Zero slope: this is zero slope and undefined slope. Yeah, this is undefined slope. If you know any 2 points on a line or a two solutions of a linear equation, you can find the slope of the line without graphing the slope of a line through the points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is as follows: y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Additional example 1, finding stop. Given 2 points, find the slope of the line that passes through minus 2 minus 3 is equal and 4 6. Let x1 y2 be minus 2 3 and x2 y2 be 4 6. y2 over x2 minus y1 over x1 is equal to 6 over 4 minus into minus 3 minus 2. Substitute 6 for y2 and the slope of the line that passes through. Check it out. Example 1, find the slope of the line that passes through minus 4 6 and 2 3. Let x1 y1 be minus 4 6 and x2 y2 be 2 3. Slope of a line. Non-linear equations have variable rates of change. This means that the rate of change is different between values. This is shown in a graph by a curved line. Additional example 2, identify constant and variable rates of change in graphs. Determine whether each graph shows a constant and variable rate of a change. Example, your reasoning: the graph shows a constant rate of change. The slope between any 2 points is always the same. Additional example 2b, identify constant and variable rates of change in graphs. Determine whether each graph shows a constant or variable rate of a change. Explain your reasoning. The graph shows a variable rate of the change. The slope between any 2 points, two sets of points in quadrant 1 is different. Check it out. Example 2a. Determine whether each graph shows a constant or variable rate of change. For example, you are reasoning. The graph shows a constant rate of change. The slope between any 2 points is always the same. Check it out. Example 2b. Determine whether each graph shows a constant or variable rate of change. Explain your reasoning. The graph shows a variable rate of change. The slope is steeper at the ends than in the middle. The table shows the total cost of fruit per pound purchased at the grocery store. Use the data to make a graph. Find the slope of the line and explain what it shows. Pounds cost 0, 0, 5 to 15, 10, 30, 15 to 45. Slope of a line. Helpful hint: you can use any 2 points to find the slope of the line. Additional example 3. Continued. Find the slope of the line. y3 over 3x minus y2 over x2 is equal to 30 over 10 minus 15 over minus 5 is equal to 15 over 5 is equal to 3. The slope of the line is 3. This means that for every pounds of fruit you will pay another 3. Thank you guys watching our video and subscribe our channel. Thank you and take care.